Everyone loves the idea of having a side hustle, especially when it comes to building financial independence. Even billionaires like Mark Cuban think about what they would do if they had to start all over again. Cuban is a self-made billionaire who knows a thing or two about hustling. After all, he started his journey selling garbage bags door to door as a kid. But if he were 16 years old today, his approach to making extra money would look a little different. In fact, Cuban recently shared the exact steps he'd take to build a side hustle in today's economy. And it's all centered around one of the most powerful tools of our time: artificial intelligence. Specifically, AI language models like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. If you're looking for a way to boost your income or even make a career shift, you'll want to stick around to hear how Cuban suggests you can get started in just 3 simple steps. Let's break it down. Cuban's first step: learning how to write prompts for AI language models. Now, this might sound a little technical, but it's actually simpler than you might think. These models, like OpenAI's ChatGPT, work by responding to carefully crafted prompts or questions that guide the AI to produce specific results. The better you are at writing these prompts, the more accurate and useful the AI's responses will be. And as Cuban points out, this skill isn't just for tech gurus. Anyone can learn it with a little practice. Once you've mastered the art of writing prompts, Cuban says, you can move to the next step: teaching your friends how to use them. Everyone in your circle, whether students, business owners, or professionals, can benefit from understanding how AI can make their work more efficient. And by teaching them, you'll not only be helping them out, but you'll also be positioning yourself as someone knowledgeable and valuable. But here's where things get interesting. Cuban's third step involves taking this knowledge to the business world. He says he'd approach small to medium-sized businesses that might not fully understand AI yet and offer to teach them how it works. This is where the real opportunity lies. Many businesses are still in the dark when it comes to using AI to their advantage, and if you can fill that gap, you could easily turn this into a profitable venture. It's a simple but effective plan, and according to Cuban, it doesn't matter if you're only 16 years old. Age isn't a barrier in this new world of AI. Younger generations, like Gen Z, are leading the charge when it comes to adopting side hustles. A report by LendingTree earlier this year found that more than half of Gen Zers in the US already have a side hustle. This shows just how common it's becoming to have multiple streams of income. And AI prompt engineering could be your ticket to financial freedom. Now, what makes AI prompt engineering such an attractive option? For one, it doesn't require a college degree. That's right. Unlike many high-paying jobs, this field is more about your skills and experience than your educational background. But while you don't need a degree, you do need to practice. Becoming good at writing AI prompts takes time, and if you want to take things to the next level, there are certifications you can pursue. Courses offered by institutions like Vanderbilt University or IBM on platforms like Coursera can teach you the basics in as little as a month. These certifications not only give you the technical skills you need, but also signal to potential clients or employers that you know what you're doing. And that can be a game changer when it comes to landing gigs or clients. Here's another reason to consider this side hustle. The earning potential is significant. According to data from ZipRecruiter, the average salary for AI tutors starts at around $30,000 per year. But if you get into it and become a full-time AI prompt engineer, you could be looking at making up to $129,500 annually. That's a serious income, especially for something that doesn't require a traditional degree or years of schooling. And let's not forget, Cuban's approach to side hustling isn't new. He's always been a hustler at heart. When he was 12 years old, he sold garbage bags to his neighbors just so he could buy a pair of basketball shoes. As a teenager, he flipped baseball cards, stamps, and coins, using the extra cash to help fund his college education. Even while attending Indiana University, Cuban found creative ways to earn money, whether it was bartending, hosting parties with cover charges, or even teaching dance classes. His entrepreneurial spirit is what eventually led him to create his first company, Micro Solutions, which he sold for $6 million. But his biggest success came when he sold Broadcast.com, a company he co-founded, to Yahoo for a staggering $5.7 billion. Today, Cuban has a net worth of $5.7 billion, but he hasn't stopped hustling. Much of his time now is focused on his online pharmacy, Cost Plus Drugs, which aims to make prescription medications more affordable by selling them at cost plus a 15% markup. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? If you're looking to start a side hustle, consider following Cuban's advice. AI is the future, and learning how to use it effectively can open doors to incredible opportunities. Whether you're just trying to make some extra cash on the side, or you're looking to build a full-time business, AI prompt engineering could be the perfect way to do it. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're constantly sharing tips and strategies to help you maximize your financial potential, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on our future videos. As you can see, Cuban's approach is all about simplicity and practicality. He didn't start with millions of dollars in the bank. He started with a simple idea and the determination to see it through. And that's exactly what you can do too. Whether it's learning a new skill, like AI prompt engineering, or taking a different route to create value in the marketplace, the key is to start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because there will always be obstacles in your way. The sooner you start, the sooner you can begin building the life you want. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the 3 steps Cuban recommends for starting this AI side hustle. First, learn how to write prompts for AI language models. Second, teach others around you how to use those prompts effectively. And third, take your skills to local businesses that might need help understanding how to integrate AI into their operations. It's a straightforward plan that anyone can follow, no matter your background or experience. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Elite Economizer for more insightful content on personal finance and wealth building strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.